Hi, I'm Elise from Estonia, and today you will hear about unique yeast and its interesting enzyme. Yeast, like baker's yeast, are widely used in food industry, but also in biotechnology. Why, you may ask? Well, they grow fast, produce some important compounds, and all they have some little helpers, which are called enzymes. In order to make this bread or beer, yeast must break down larger sugar molecules into smaller edible ones, and that's how baker's yeast enzymes work. In addition, there is a diverse world of yeasts who differ greatly from baker's yeast and could have unique traits. I investigated in my biochemistry project enzyme from one of these yeasts. For example, the enzyme can also synthesize new sugars by combining two sugar molecules. These novel sugars may have prebiotic effect, which means it can keep our gut healthy, are low in calories, don't spike blood sugar, but still have a sweet taste. Obesity and diabetes are serious health problems nowadays, and adding prebiotics to our diet is a novel way to tackle the problem. Right now, some of these sugars are quite expensive and hard to synthesize, but those new yeasts and their enzymes are promising candidates for food technology. Based on results, the enzyme has unique composition. Similar enzymes have not been described so far, and it has interesting and useful properties. It can break down sugars very fast, it was affected by some widespread components, and it can produce sugars, which are rare and very difficult right now to obtain. The enzyme holds a great potential in biotechnology to possibly tackle serious health problems.
Thank you, and I hope you learned something new. And my biggest gratitude from the supervisors, Trino Visnavu and Saima Karna. Thank you.